There are moments in the sky that remind us how vast the universe truly is. They arrive without asking for attention, yet they leave millions of people looking upward in quiet amazement. One of those unforgettable moments is the 2026 lunar eclipse, when the moon slowly transforms into a mysterious glowing red orb known as the blood moon. It is not a sign of danger or an omen of disaster. Instead, it is one of nature's most breathtaking displays, created by the perfect alignment of the sun, earth, and moon. Imagine standing beneath a clear night sky as the bright full moon begins to lose its light. Minute by minute, a shadow creeps across its surface until it appears darker than ever before. Then something magical happens. Instead of disappearing completely, the moon starts glowing with a deep copper-red color. It seems almost unreal, as though the universe has painted it with fire. Yet this incredible transformation follows the beautiful and predictable laws of astronomy. The red color appears because Earth's atmosphere acts like a giant lens. As sunlight passes through the atmosphere, most blue light is scattered away, while the red and orange wavelengths bend around Earth and continue toward the moon. Even though the moon is sitting inside Earth's shadow, it is still illuminated by this filtered sunlight. The same effect creates the brilliant reds and oranges we see during sunrise and sunset, except now those colors are projected onto the moon itself. The lunar eclipse of 2026 is expected to become one of the year's most talked about celestial events. Skywatchers, photographers, students, families, and astronomy enthusiasts across the world will prepare to witness this extraordinary spectacle. Unlike a solar eclipse, a lunar eclipse is completely safe to observe with your eyes. No protective glasses or special filters are needed. All you need is a clear sky, a little patience, and a sense of wonder. Timing is everything when watching an eclipse. What creates a blood moon? Explain how the sun, earth, and moon align during a total lunar eclipse, and why Earth's atmosphere bends red light onto the moon, creating its famous crimson appearance. That a blood moon is one of the most beautiful and fascinating events that can be seen in the night sky, yet the science behind it is surprisingly simple. It happens during a total lunar eclipse, when the sun, earth, and moon line up almost perfectly, with Earth positioned directly between the sun and the moon. As the moon moves into Earth's shadow, you might expect it to disappear completely. Instead, something extraordinary happens. The moon slowly changes from its familiar bright white color into a deep orange, copper, or even dark red glow. This transformation occurs because Earth's atmosphere bends sunlight around the planet. As sunlight passes through the atmosphere, the shorter blue wavelengths are scattered in every direction, while the longer red and orange wavelengths continue traveling toward the moon. The result is that only the warm-colored light reaches the lunar surface, creating the breathtaking blood moon effect. This is the same reason sunsets and sunrises appear so colorful. Every total lunar eclipse can produce a slightly different shade of red depending on atmospheric conditions such as dust, pollution, volcanic ash, and cloud particles. Some eclipses create a bright orange moon, while others produce a dark crimson appearance. Rather than being a sign of mystery or danger, a blood moon is a stunning reminder of how light, gravity, and Earth's atmosphere work together to create one of nature's greatest celestial spectacles. When and how to watch the 2026 lunar eclipse. Cover the different stages of the eclipse, why timing matters, how to find local viewing times, and why a lunar eclipse is completely safe to watch without special eye protection. Watching the 2026 lunar eclipse is easier than many people imagine because, unlike a solar eclipse, it requires no special equipment or protective eyewear. The key to enjoying the event is knowing exactly when it will happen in your location. A total lunar eclipse unfolds over several hours, giving viewers plenty of time to observe each stage. It begins with the penumbral phase, when the moon enters the outer part of Earth's shadow and only slightly dims. Next comes the partial eclipse, where a dark shadow slowly moves across the moon's surface. Finally, the most anticipated moment arrives as the moon becomes fully immersed in Earth's shadow and transforms into the spectacular blood moon. To avoid missing this incredible sight, check the official eclipse schedule for your country or city a few days before the event. Arriving at your viewing spot early gives your eyes time to adjust to the darkness and allows you to enjoy the gradual changes. Clear skies are essential, so monitoring the weather forecast can greatly improve your chances of seeing the eclipse. Whether you choose to watch with your family, friends, or by yourself, the experience is unforgettable. Since the eclipse develops slowly, take your time, relax, and enjoy one of the most remarkable natural events visible from Earth. The science, history, and wonder behind the blood moon. Explore how ancient civilizations interpreted blood moons, how modern science explains the phenomenon, and why understanding it makes the event even more fascinating. For thousands of years, the appearance of a blood moon filled people with wonder, curiosity, and sometimes fear. Before the science of astronomy was fully understood, many ancient civilizations believed a red moon was a message from the heavens, a warning of great change, or a sign connected to myths and legends. Different cultures created their own stories to explain why the moon suddenly turned red, often linking the event to powerful spiritual or natural forces. Today, modern science has replaced mystery with understanding, revealing that a blood moon is the result of a perfectly natural astronomical event known as a total lunar eclipse. When Earth moves directly between the sun and the moon, our planet casts its shadow across the lunar surface. Instead of disappearing completely, the moon glows red because Earth's atmosphere bends and filters sunlight, allowing only the longer red and orange wavelengths to reach it. Knowing the scientific explanation does not reduce the beauty of the event. It often makes it even more inspiring. It demonstrates the incredible precision of the solar system and the predictable movements of celestial bodies. Every eclipse reminds us that the universe operates according to natural laws that scientists have studied for centuries. The blood moon is therefore both a breathtaking visual experience and a powerful lesson in astronomy, showing how knowledge can deepen our appreciation for the wonders of the night sky while preserving the sense of awe that has captivated humanity throughout history. Why the 2026 blood moon is a must-see event. Highlight the rarity and beauty of the eclipse, its ability to inspire curiosity about space, create unforgettable memories, and remind us of our connection to the universe. The 2026 blood moon is more than just another full moon in the night sky. It is a rare celestial event that brings together science, beauty, and a sense of shared wonder. Unlike many astronomical events that require expensive equipment or expert knowledge, a total lunar eclipse can be enjoyed by almost anyone with a clear view of the sky. As the moon gradually changes from bright silver to deep red, the slow transformation creates an unforgettable experience that encourages people to pause and appreciate the vastness of the universe. For photographers, it offers a chance to capture stunning images. For families, it becomes an opportunity to spend meaningful time together under the stars. For students and space enthusiasts, it serves as a real-life lesson in astronomy, demonstrating how the movements of the sun, Earth, and moon create one of nature's most spectacular displays. Events like this also inspire curiosity, encouraging people to learn more about space exploration, planetary science, and the remarkable forces that shape our solar system. The blood moon reminds us that some of the greatest experiences in life are completely free and available to everyone who takes the time to look up. By marking the date, checking your local viewing time, and choosing a good observation spot, you can witness a moment that may remain in your memory for years, making the 2026 blood moon an event that is truly worth experiencing.